Imagine over 400,000 square feet dedicated to providing turnkey contract packaging, repackaging, and manufacturing solutions for the pharmaceutical, OTC, consumer health, personal care, and medical device markets. Located in Neenah, Wisconsin, Outlook Group has over 400,000 square feet of space to fulfill your contract packaging needs. The Outlook Group invests in our highly trained staff, along with state-of-the-art equipment to deliver clean room environments, blistering, pouching, labeling, folding cartons, flexible packaging, kitting, assembly, polybagging, shrink-wrapping and overwrapping, direct mail, and sampling. At Outlook Group, we accentuate our highly trained people and advanced technology to custom design a solution that works for you. Our credentials include ISO certification for medical packaging, AIB recognition, and G7 master printer certification. By being a vertically integrated packaging supplier with a quality focus, we create real value for our customers.
We excel at program management, with every customer having an internal advocate at Outlook Group Printing and Packaging. Your advocate to make sure your projects get completed on time and on budget.
Contact us today for your contract packaging needs. OutlookGroup.com or 920-722-2333.